Another wonderful day today. Welcome back to RSL Travel, Leisure, and Food Vlogs. Today we're heading to our farm. Together with my younger sister, my brother-in-law, my niece, and our caretaker. So it's been a while since we last visited the place. I remembered I was still very young. And then we planted lots and lots of trees. And now we have decided to come back. And we've decided after all these years that we're gonna construct our own farmhouses. Yes, farmhouses, meaning all four of us will have different farmhouses, which will be constructed on top of the hill.
There's a doggo.
So that we can frequently visit the farm. We already have lots of corn, lots of coconut trees, and we also have some cacao trees and lots of banana trees as well, and many more. So we're planning to plant some mahogany trees as well for the long term, some vegetables, spices, everything that we could think of, especially the sweet potatoes and some dragon fruits as well. By the way, our farm is situated just near the farm of my cousins. So this is about only 3 hectares. Only 3 hectares. And then it's owned by our family. We wanted to take care of it since our dad passed away. We made a promise that we're gonna take care of the farm. So this is of great sentimental value to us. So we cannot just sell the entire property because we treasure what our dad left for us. So that's why after a number of meetings, since I'm the eldest son, and then during our meetings we have finally decided that we're gonna construct our own farmhouse so that we can frequently visit the place. So that lady right there is my younger sister with her husband and our caretaker. This part here is the one we see in front of us with the coconut trees is the place which we have chosen that we're gonna construct our house. There's a clearing on top of the hill. This clearing is very nice. However, we just need to clear all those bushes, the weeds and everything unnecessary, so that we can see the natural beauty of the place. So unfortunately I cannot show you the entire place because still so many plants, trees, and then we still need to clean it. So this is the clearing that I mentioned earlier, the place where we have chosen to build our house. The entire property is over 3 hectares, but the clearing on top of the hill is approximately 2,000 square meters. So that's where we're gonna build our houses, our farmhouses. My brother, my 2 sisters, and me, of course. So this will be all for now, my friends. I hope you like the video. If you do, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell all notifications so you won't miss my newly uploaded videos. Thank you so much.